Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Apple ID and regional settings so the process can proceed without delays. Sign out of Apple Music and confirm your Apple ID credentials. Once done, change the device region to a country that accepts gift cards or free trials. Make sure you have an Apple gift card code or an account that hasn't used the trial. This replaces a credit card. This step prevents the system from insisting on a payment method when you request a trial or redeem credit. Next, redeem a gift card or claim the trial inside the App Store or Music settings. You'll do this to create an active subscription balance without adding a card. Open Redeem and type the code, or tap the trial offer in Music. Choose the shortest trial available if multiple appear. If the system asks for payment, pause, sign out, and sign in again with the prepared Apple ID, then re-attempt redemption. Once the balance or trial is active, Apple Music will let you stream without a saved payment method. Finally, verify access and resolve any holdups so you can use Apple Music normally. Check Settings Your Name subscriptions or Apple ID balance to confirm a redeemed gift or active trial. Once visible, restart your device and open Music to test streaming. If content still appears restricted, sign out and sign back in, or try redeeming another code. If nothing works, contact Apple support and explain you're using gift credit or trial without a payment method. They can clear stuff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.